YouTube channel again, and if you're watching for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and join our amazing community that has now turned into over 1,000 subscribers. Yes, you heard that right. We are a community of over 1,000 of. I know 1,000 is not a magnificent number, but it is a start, and it is said that people who are grateful for little things in life will be given a lot more. So here I am saying a heartfelt gratitude to all of you for supporting me, for being there, for giving me so much love. So many of you have messaged me interesting stories of how you've asked your friends and family to subscribe, which is so heartwarming. I appreciate all of it, and it means a lot to me. I'd also like to say that during the pandemic, because we work in healthcare, it was so hectic. We were doing 40 to 50 hours of shifts at a stretch, so I was not able to produce content very consistently. But now that we have a breather and things are getting better, I will start posting content now more consistently. I have got so many suggestions from all of you that I'm working on. I'm doing my NVQ level 3 as well, so it was really hectic. Almost reached the end now. Yay! So it will get done soon, and then I can be more raring to go. As you know, my channel is based on food, travel and lifestyle. I always knew that that's what I love, that's what I really enjoy doing, and that's what I wanted to put out. So if you look at my banner on YouTube, it says food, travel and lifestyle because of that, and that's what I'm gonna stick to. So but if you have any other suggestions, if you want me to try out something different, please mention below. Like I said, I have got suggestions that I'm already working on, and I'm going to be putting out some bomb content soon. So this community that I have started at YouTube is a community that's there to support each other, to help each other grow as well. For me, it's never been about just myself growing. I am here to help everybody else grow, because I think we should all grow together, isn't it? So if you know any YouTubers, anybody who is hustling, who is working really hard and trying their best to put out content and who deserves a shout out, please don't forget to mention them here. You can DM me on my Instagram, connect with me on my Instagram. I have been doing shout outs on Instagram for people whose work I like, or anybody who needs support, or anybody who is growing for a long time now. A lot of small businesses, a lot of going local businesses, as well as anybody else in the world who wanted my help. A lot of people in the UK connected about their small businesses, about which I've been sharing on my Instagram, and that's what this community is all about. Please feel free to spread the message to anybody who needs it. Also, if you want to know how I hit my first 1,000 subscribers, feel free to comment below and ask me. I am here to share. As I said, I'm going to be really honest, I'm going to be really open with you. So if you want to know how I achieved my first 1,000 subscribers, I'm pretty open to disclosing that as well. Go ahead and comment below and let me know. And once again, thank you everybody for watching, for being so supportive, for giving me so much love. And I want this community of ours to be a platform where people can grow, where people can support each other, where they can love and spread love. So that's what this channel is all about. So feel free to come and connect. Feel free to DM me on Instagram, to connect on Facebook. I think on Facebook, I don't use it as much now, but it's mostly Instagram and YouTube now. You can also connect on TikTok if you're there. I know that TikTok is banned in India, but in the other parts of the world, if you are anywhere in the world, you could connect with me. For people whom TikTok is banned, Instagram is the best option. DM me, because that's where I reply real quick. Thank you for watching everybody. I shall see you again in my next video real soon. Till then, don't forget to be positive and live your life to the fullest.